Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A pleasant good evening to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. Anyway, me go kick it off like this. A policeman has been hospitalized after he was shot and injured in Portmore, St. Catherine on Saturday. It's reported that about 11:40 a.m., the corporal was doing business at West Henderson Boulevard in Greater Portmore when he saw two armed men alight from a Nissan motor car and fire. Hey, my viewers and subscribers, a serious things are going on, Wanna see what go down? Policeman injured after intervening in gun attack in Portmore. A serious thing, them, If you don't notice from what year, if police not dead, police get gunshot and all them something there. Them something look good for the country, Seriously, This is to show you that the country is going down a wrong path. You understand? Because remember, these things don't happen. So when you see all them something happening now, you have to stop and think, very carefully, We have to stop and think. Boy, my wisdom warriors, seriously, I do not know what is going on. The crime is just not under control. Like, me not say it was under control fully, But come on now. Come on. They kept saying crime is reducing. But really and truly, it is a goddamn lie. It is a lie. Like literally, it could never reduce. And every single time, crime and violence. We don't need to stop it. Government, we don't need to stop it. Stop trick the people. Them are really and truly, are the tourists, them, we not try trick. You understand? Are the tourists, them, we not try trick. You see, if the country is not safe, we just have to come out and talk so the country not safe. You get me? Don't, under false pretense, like say, the country is on a good path, when you really know that the country is not on a good path. You understand? Boy, seriously, a serious thing. Right now, the policeman has been hospitalized. You understand? Because of all these things, what is going on. But my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. An emergency slide falls off a Delta Airlines plane, forcing pilots to return to JFK in New York. My wisdom warriors, me know say enough of uno is in the diaspora. So this is why I'm broadcasting this that happens. An emergency slide fell off a Delta Airlines jetliner shortly after takeoff Friday from New York, and pilots who felt a vibration in the plane circled back to land safely at JFK Airport. A good thing. Then circle back in my viewers and subscribers. Yes, man, a good thing, because nobody would even know what could have happened if then it still continue to fly. You understand? Delta said that after takeoff, the pilots got an alert about the emergency slide on the plane's right side and heard an unusual sound coming from that area of the Boeing 767 jet, which is listed as having been manufactured in 1990. My wisdom warriors, I see a lot of pilots, sometimes then we hear something, and don't turn back. I don't know that. Even if they're not sure what. But as long as they hear something that is unusual, they should turn back. And this is what this pilot have done. Yeah, because nobody would know the outcome, Mighty God. Nobody would know the outcome if them never turn back. And it's a good thing. You understand? So, you see, these things need to be highlighted, Yes, these things need to be highlighted because these things happen a lot of time across different countries. My wisdom warriors, these things happen in different countries. These things happen in different countries all the time. This is why you see a lot of plane crash. Because the pilot, them hear something. And the pilot them hear something and they not pay attention. So all is well. It's a good thing that this pilot pays attention. You understand? Because if him never pay attention, only God alone know what could happen. You understand? They always say prevention is better than cure. I'm a believer in that. The authorities have demolished small shops located at the front of the new Rio Aquarel in Cooper's Pen, Trelawney, in preparation for the opening of the hotel. When I hear them, something, my viewers and subscribers, one thing with Andrew Wellness administration, when it come on, to money, hey, nobody trying to come in a fee him way. Because if uno in a fee him way, he might go kick uno right out time way. And this happening right now. Shops demolished as new Rio Hotel prepares to open in Trelawney. When I hear them something here, people shop demolish because of new hotel. Listen, me tell you, no, tourism bring in the money in a Jamaica. Yes, and that's how they get the money from. Tourism and taxpayer money. Yeah? That's how they get the money from. But what me I say, yeah? Are they spending the money on the people of Jamaica? They are not. They now spend the money on the people them of Jamaica. And people now with their little shop a try to build up something. This one up the road and round the road. And for no say the government a demolish a shop them. Because what? Because of a hotel. Because this is why I'm telling you all the time that everything will Andrew Wellness in partnership with, yeah, are them a build up, are them private sector, are them stakeholder, it's not for Jamaican people. It is not for us. You understand me? And when I see my build up, it's only for them look good so they can get more money. Nothing wrong with that, getting the more money, But what them I do with the money, that is the next thing. That is the next thing. And they have this procurement guidelines where they need to look into. They need to review that procurement guidelines. You understand? Because that procurement guidelines stop the Jamaican people from know how the taxpayer money spent. You understand me, my wisdom warriors? They need to review the procurement guidelines. Yes, they need to. Because taxpayer money always a spend for the one whole heap of something. And we can't know who are borrowing money. Tell me if that makes sense. That don't make no sense. Because them put a procurement guidelines, procurement act in place, which the Jamaican people nothing know how the taxpayer money spent. That is ridiculous. Them something on the right. Them something on the right. And for all of the people them will have shops and then shop have to move. Them something is unacceptable also. And this is what Andrew Wellness and his wife go around and do. You understand? Like how they kick people off of their land and take with people land. That's what they do in allege. Me not sure, me never did it. But me hear from good source. You understand? Right. I don't know how true it is, my wisdom warriors. But this is what is happening. A lot of people are reaching out to me and telling me this is going on. Yeah, Miss Bramwell, she's taking away people land. This is what they're saying. Say Miss Bramwell I take away people land, my viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Me don't know how true it is. But Miss Bramwell, if you're doing these things, you need to stop. Because no land in Jamaica no belong to you, darling dear. It doesn't belong to you. It is for the people of the lands. And for the people of Jamaica. You understand me? You need to stop it. You need to stop it. And then again, you come up and build up on an apartment and a tricky Jamaican people. And Jamaican people can't even afford them the apartments there. This is why I kept telling you guys to build affordable apartments. Because like how you take with the land there, man, I build up this and I build up that on the land. There's a lot of people homeless and need a home. And everybody own a land. You understand? And I hope Jamaican people really look into things and say the government is not for them. The government is for themselves. And the sooner you see, the better it is. You understand? Because me no want later, then when you ready enough to rise up, it's going to be a problem. It is going to be a problem. Then time that it's too late. This is why me advise you, and me tell you the things them. Because a lot of people don't have the knowledge. You understand, my wisdom warriors? A lot of people is lack of knowledge. They don't understand what is going on. They don't know who is Andrew Wellness. They don't do research. They only go by hearsay and with them see. Like if Andrew Wellness a dance, they say, "Whoa, watch my prime minister. If I'm wear clocks, watch my prime minister in a a bad clocks, and that alone then like Andrew Holness for. You get me? Then I like Andrew Holness for nothing else. But if you do no research, you see a lot of labor rights I see coming out, and them a cuss and a huff and a puff and all them something there and a try to blow the house down. Uno fi stop it. It doesn't make any sense. Uno sound so foolish because uno lack of knowledge. Uno don't know what is going on. So uno people on the surface need to stop it. Uno don't even know the full thing what is going on. Uno need to read. Read and then uno will know everything they done on paper. Nothing to hide with Andrew Holness. You get me? So uno need to stop come out and defending this man that doesn't even care about uno health. Remember, we health come first, you know. No matter what we have in the world, you know. No matter what you have, you know. You see, if your health is no good, wealth is no good. Me tell you that. If uno never know that. You have to be healthy to enjoy your wealth. You understand? Uno understand what me I try to show you. If uno sick and can't move around, because a lot of people know me have to explain it to them. If uno sick, they on a sick bed and can't move around, how now go enjoy no wealth? How now go enjoy no wealth? You understand what I try to show you? How you not going to enjoy the wealth, my viewers and subscribers. So it is good to be healthy. And this is what Andrew Holness do not put first. You know, put the people them health first. You put the people them health last. And it's just the truth. Everybody can see that because every day people coming out and complaining about the hospital and nothing from the government. Other day they read out their budget and you're not about hospital. Nothing. You understand? Nothing. And sometimes these things are really upsetting my viewers and subscribers. When you see a government is not showing no interest and not putting in any effort whatsoever, it is really upsetting. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. Damion Crawford urges government to prioritize safety of students and teachers. Amid the surge in violence in schools, the parliamentary opposition has called for the government to prioritize the safety and well-being of students and teachers in the country's educational institutions. In an open letter sent to Education Minister Favour Williams, opposition spokesman on education, Damion Crawford warned that the escalating violence in schools is of grave concern to the public, parents, teachers and students. Of course, I agree with Damion Crawford. Yes, it is very concerning. Very, very concerning. But then again, I hope the government look into this and can put something in place. I hope they can put things in place because at the school, they can have security at the school and put in an electronic system. You know, so if any one of them are coming in, so they can check for weapon and stuff like that electronically. Since as Andrew Holness talk about digital and him all about digital right now, you need to put them things there in place in every single school. You understand? Every single school. But my wisdom warriors, if you want to check the levels right now, notice the fighting and all these things, yeah, amongst peers, amongst students. Outside the school, them are happening, you know. Outside the school, these things are happening. You understand? The fighting, the war and everything, if you don't notice, always on roadside, these things are happening. How we are going to prevent that? How them are going to prevent that? I do not know. Seriously, but them have to do something. I agree with Damion Crawford. It's full time now, you know. They have to pay the school more attention. This is what the government now do. They need to pay the school more attention. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me if you don't agree, yes or no. Justice Minister calls on St. Thomas residents to have more ambition. When I hear them, something my viewers and subscribers. Lord Jesus, me no feel laugh, but me have to laugh. You can imagine, Delroy Chuck come out and tell St. Thomas residents say them fi have more ambition, and increase productivity. You hear them something here? Delroy Chuck, you have any ambition? And that we want to know. Let's ask you. You have ambition? You not have no ambition, so you know if you come out and tell the St. Thomas people them say they must have more ambition and increase productivity. How what this say, my viewers and subscribers? When me tell us that they rank and presumptuous, this is the perfect example. Why in a year party? Why in a your party, Delroy Chuck, you not do it? And that you fi do? Why you not have ambition in a your party and to the Jamaican people and increase productivity within the party? Why you not do that? And that you fi do? How dare you? I come out and bright up yourself and tell some St. Thomas people them so they fi have more ambition. What you know kuya? My viewers and subscribers, this a man out of order bad. When me tell us that them bright, you see this a man for resign, you know? This a man for resign. And if the people then come together and ask for him resign, he have to go. Him for resign. We need to take it to the street and move up this a man here. I come disrespect people but have more ambition. Uno not ambitious like Jamaican people. Me tell you that. Uno not ambitious like my brothers and sisters. So when uno come out and run off uno mouth and chat rubbish, me not listen to uno because I pure shit uno chat. You not ambitious that like my brothers and sisters. Delroy Chuck. So you're too feisty. You're a little bit feisty and bright and out of order and rank and presumptuous. You're bright and out of order. But people if you have more ambition, and increase productivity. Why you not gonna have more ambition to the Jamaican people? Why you not have more ambition in a Jamaica Labour Party? And why you not increase productivity? It's time when you come out and tell St. Thomas people to do that. And that uno should have do. And that Andrew Wellness administration should have look into. Be more ambitious. And that uno fi do. Uno not easy. Listen, uno can't come round here so, you know, and tell we nothing. Uno can't come, especially somebody like you, Delroy Chuck. You will break the law. You break the law and not follow rules and regulation and break the laws of the land. Can't talk to Jamaican people. You're too out order. Very, very out order. My wisdom warriors. Uno can't imagine this man here. How am I get bright so? Because they know why I get so bright? Because Andrew Wellness allow him. And then we Jamaican people sit down and don't do nothing about it. This is why they get away with all these things. This is why we not do nothing. A lot of people are say, oh, you know, we just have a vote. We just have a vote. No, if we not come out. If we not come out. Wait there. We know say Andrew Wellness a try to Jamaica and a republic. No. What if the king answer to Andrew Wellness and say, all right, go on. Come on, I think this is going to take long, you know. Yeah? All right, then. All right, we are going to remove from the monarchy. All right. Then what going to happen? Lord Jesus, my viewers and subscribers, I don't even want to think about it. I don't even want to think about it, my wisdom warriors, because this is not a good look. This is why I say we need to go out and touch the street and protest for Andrew Wellness move, for Andrew Wellness resign. Him need for resign. We can't still not say we are waiting for an election. Get up, let's rise up. So my wisdom warriors, tell me what you think and put honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.